How to turn on Hey Siri. To turn on Hey Siri on your iPhone or iPad, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to just go and open your settings. Now, once you go and open your settings here, this is how it's look, Siri, right? So you have to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you have to find this option labeled Listen Hey Siri. And the toggle will be in by default off. So what you have to do, you have to just go and turn it on, right? As well as press home for Siri and allow Siri when locked if you want to use Siri as when it's locked, right? And this is how you can do. You can get a lot of options. For example, if you want to just change the language, Siri voice and voice feedback, and this is my information, all this stuff, right? So this is really important. Listen for Hey Siri. So whenever you are somewhere and just turn off your phone and while you're doing something on your phone, just say Hey Siri, and automatically your Siri will be turned on your phone, right? So after enabling, you will be prompted to set up Hey Siri, tap continue and follow the instruction to phrases. So it will give you some phrases, right? Once you have completed the training, tap done. And this is how you can use. Thanks for watching this video.